Hi children. So continuity of chapter 5, exercise 7 and 8 together we are going to see in this video. So the first topic under exercise 7, multiplying a fraction by a whole number. So that is, we are going to multiply a fraction number with a whole number, or with the whole number multiplied with a fraction. So that is what we are going to see in this exercise 7, and next followed by exercise 8 will move. So here 1 by 5 into 4. So 1 by 5 is a fraction into 4 is a whole number. So you can treat this whole number as a numerator. What? This 4 is a whole number. You can treat this 4 as a numerator. Okay. So numerator into numerator you can multiply 1 into 4. You can take this denominator as a common. Since there is no value given in the denominator, you can consider it as a 1. You can consider it as 1. The whole number, you can treat it as a whole number as numerator, so that the denominator you can consider it as a 1. Because if you consider it as 0, 5 into 0 will become 0. So you should not consider it as a 0. All the whole number has a denominator as, you can consider the denominator as 1. Okay, so 5 into 1, 5. So when you multiply the numerator and numerator, what you will get? 1 into 4, 4 by 5. Okay. So next, 22 into 1 by 4. So I told you 22 is a whole number. So 22 is a numerator you can consider, and the denominator you can consider as 1 into 1 by 4. So now multiply the numerator and numerator, and multiply the denominator and denominator. Okay, as of what we did here, the same thing we are going to do. 22 into 1 by 1 into 4. So 22 into 1, 22 by 1 into 4, 4. So here 22 by 4. So here if you see, we can make this 22 by 4 into lowest form. That is by dividing with common factor 2. Okay, I am taking a common factor for 22 and 4 as 2. In 2 table, how many times 22 will come? 11 times. In 2 tables, how many times 4 will come? 2 times. Yes, so 11 by 2. So 11 by 2 is a improper fraction. So to convert this improper fraction into mixed number, you can divide and see. So 2 5s are 10. Subtract, you will get 1 as a remainder. So this, after multiplying the whole number into fraction, you are getting the denominator 2, the divisor will be your denominator, the quotient will be your whole number. The quotient will be your whole number, the remainder will be your numerator. Okay. So if you see, check, you will get the 11 by 2 again. 2 into 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. You got the numerator. Denominator will remain the same. Okay. So this kind of sums only you will just practice in exercise 7. So we'll move to the exercise 8. So exercise 8, multiplying a fraction by a fraction. That is, we are going to multiply fraction with another form of fraction. Okay, so if you see here, 1 by 4 is a fraction that is multiplied with another fraction 2 by 4. So here I am going to show you two kind of multiplication. So one is what I showed you in 7th exercise, multiplying the numerator and numerator and multiplying the denominator and denominator. That is the first thing I am going to show you. 1 by 4 into 2 by 4. 1 into 2 by 4 into 4. 2 into 1 is 2. 4 fours are 16. So this 2 by 16 can be simplified in the sense making a lowest term. Again, I'm going to take this 2 by 16 as a common factor 2. So the common factor 2 I'm going to divide with the numerator and denominator. In 2 table 2 will come 1 time. In 2 table 16 will come in 8 times. So 1 by 8 is an answer. So this is one kind of calculating the multiplication. Or you can use another way of finding the answer. 1 by 4 into 2 by 4. See, instead of directly multiplying the numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator, you can simplify. That is, you can do the cross division. You can do the cross division. I am saying about cross division. You can consider the opposite numbers, numerator and the opposite denominator, denominator and the opposite numerator you can compare. You can take a common factor for that opposite numbers and you can do division. So for example, this is 1 and 4. I cannot do division other than one table. So I am leaving that. If I take 4 and 2, these two opposite numbers. Okay, these two opposite numbers 2, 4. So these two numbers will come in 2 table. So I am taking a common factor of 2 and I am going to divide this 2 and 4. That is, keeping the 2 table in my mind, 2 ones are. 2 ones are is 2, right? 4 will come how many times in 2 table? 2 twos are. Okay, I am reducing, I am simplifying, I am reducing the value. Okay. So now 1 in the numerator. See, instead of 4, I have reduced by simplifying as 2. Instead of 4, I have to write only 2. Into this 2 has become 1. This 4 is remaining same. Understood? See, this 2, 4, like same. 2 is a numerator, 4 is a denominator. I am dividing it with 2 table. Okay, I just did here a mind calculation. I am showing here. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That is what I have written. Instead of 2, I have written 1. Instead of 4, I have written 2 here. Okay, so now after simplifying, again you can check with the cross numbers whether you can do any division part. So here I cannot do more than this. Simplification is not possible. Now I can able to multiply the numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. 1 into 1 by 2 into 4. 1 into 1, 1. 2 fours are 8. So if you see, both the values are same. You can use any method. Okay, but to make it very simple, you can use this second method. Like in the first step itself, if you simplify and make the numbers to the least number, it will be very easy for you when you do multiplication. Okay, so for another example, second question I have written 3 by 10 into 5 by 7. So here 3 by 10 into 5 by 7. I am going to use the second method, simplification method. See, 3, 7, opposite number I am choosing. 3 and 7. 3 table will come only in 3 table and 7 will come only in 7 table and 1 table. Okay, so other than 1 and 3, there is no common factor for 3. Other than 1 and 7, there is no common factor for 7. So I cannot do division with the same number with these two opposite number. So I am going to other set of number. 5, 10, opposite numbers. So 5 and 10, 5 table I will get both the values 5 and 10. So I am taking 5 as a common factor in the mind. 5 ones are 5. I am cancelling. 1 time 5 will come in 5 table. 2 times 10 will come in 5 table. Okay, so now 3 will remain in the numerator. Instead of 10 in the denominator, I should write 2. Into the same symbol you have to write. So instead of 5, you have we have made into 1. 7 remains the same. So now again check with the cross multiplication. So we can't do more than this. So 3 into 1, 3. 2 sevens are 14. Okay. So here I am stopping. So one more sum. 5 by 14 into 7 by 10. So here opposite numbers 5, 10 again. So 5 as a common factor I am taking. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. 1 by 14 in the denominator remains same. Here 7 remains same. Instead of 10, 2. Now 1 and 2 cannot be simplified more than this. Now check with the other opposite two numbers, 7, 14. So in 7 table, 7 also will come, 14 also will come. So here 7 common factor I am taking. 1s are, 7 2s are. Okay. So 1 in the numerator, denominator 2 is there. Here instead of 7, 1 it has become 2 in the denominator. So now multiply the numerator and numerator. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 by 4 is the answer. So hope you have understood. Thank you, children.